Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the Victoria's Secret's 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. I wanted to do this video outside my house just because so you guys can see it in a brighter light. So you guys can get a picture of how it looks. See right there, so thick. Looking right there, right here in AZ right now. It's cold and foggy, but it's a beautiful day still. So I wanted to show you guys the calendar right here so you guys can take a closer look at it. See, look at the beautiful lighting. Oh, get pretty. Okay, and this is going to be the card right here that comes with it. You guys can pause it to read it if you guys want to. That's so cute. Look, that's the potential to detail right there. So that's what you get right here at the front. That's what you get. Okay, let's open this baby up with the 12 Days of Beauty. Let me see. Okay, so it's gonna be kind of a long video, guys. Just warning you. Okay, this is so cute. Just attached on one side right there. Okay, so let's open this up. You go from right there. Let's take this little taggy out. In the back, it doesn't have anything, guys. Like, oh, just the price right there, and but nothing like out of the ordinary, all the stuff that comes in it. So that's nice, and I love the outline right here just of the perfume bottle. So that's so cute. So yeah, okay, so now number one, of course, is going to be just the perfume. It's right there. I'm just going to leave it there, guys, just because I don't want to take it off. Okay, number two, door number two is going to be here. This lip gloss, $14.95, and it's going to be the shade Passion Color Shine Lip Gloss. So that's cute right there. Can't wait to use it. And look, all this little paper. Okay. I'm not trying to be like too loud, guys, because I have neighbors too, so I need to be respectful of that. And I say respectful of that, and then the waiter starts. Okay, and then there's a Victoria's Secret's Bombshell Bath Bar. Get pretty. Got that. So cute. It reminds me of the Chanel packaging, just in white. This pink. So got that one in. Number three. Number four. And then these one boxes, you can always use them for anything, guys. So let me see what's in here. It's gonna be one of the little perfume bottles. Hi. Okay, and this is gonna be the Victoria's Secret's Bombshell Magic. Nice little one. It smells so good, guys. Yeah, like I can smell it through already. So that's nice. Okay, number five right here. See? Okay. Hi. Okay, is gonna be the Bombshell and Seduction. There you go. So beautiful. Little tiny. I just put it back in there. And I'm probably gonna use this, guys, as like a jewelry piece type of box. The candle. Love the candle. Let me see if I can get out. This is a challenge to get out stuff from here. Okay, so I got it out. Is the Bombshell Seduction. Okay, pretty. I never tried one of these candles before. None of the Victoria's Secret's candles. So, it smells so delicious. I love it. Put it as a decoration maybe. I'm not even going to burn it because it looks so cute. Okay, and then the number 7 right here. Okay, this one is a glittery Bombshell, just in the color Bombshell, full size, just like the other one. So that's cute. Look at the little sparkles on it, the sparkles. Yay, get cute. I heard really good stuff about this. I hadn't tried these ones. I've only tried the little the tube ones, so that'll be nice to try that one. Okay, the number 8. Aquí está. Let me see it. Vamos a ver what we got. Another of the perfumes, little tiny ones. Bombshell, just. So it's going to be the same as this one. Just a little travel size. So mini travel. So that's cute because it's the spray bottle ones. Okay, number 9 right here. Wow, mommy, don't get mad. You were inside, mommy. Lick it, mommy.
Mama, it's a pee.
Yeah, it's a pink. And then there's going to be the keychain right here. So gorgeous. Look at that. Get pretty. That's beautiful. I love it. I'm going to put it in my purse. This little one right here. Okay, let's put it back in. So number 10. Another candle. Oh. Okay, mamachita. Okay, the candle and Bombshell Intense. Oh, it smells so delicious, guys. Like, honestly. And if you guys weren't able to get these, like, I seen that they even sell them as offer up. Not, like, even cheaper than whatever I got it for. Like, not me. Whatever other people got it for. So, just check out other apps, guys, if you guys weren't able to get it. Number 11. Another little candle. And there's just in Bombshell. So, classic, really nice little bottle. It tells you notes about it. So, smells exactly like the perfume almost. I think it's the same shit. Anyway, and then number 12 right here. Another little perfume. And this one is going to be the Bombshell Intense. Look at that. That is so cute. I love the little mini perfumes. I have a little collection of them. They're so gorgeous. Just to keep it like that. But anyway, that's it, guys, for the Victoria's Secret's 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. I hope you guys like this video. See a little close-up so you guys can be able to see the detail of it. It's just glued on, so nothing really to see right there. And yeah, it's really big. Like, I guess if I put it against on the chair so you guys can see, it's like almost the chair size. See, that's huge. And it weighs a ton. Yeah, it does weigh a couple pounds. So I love it. It's so pretty. So yeah, if you guys get your hands on this 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar, guys, I highly recommend it. Like, especially if you get it for a sale price, I think it's worth it when you get it on sale. So yeah, so beautiful. Okay, thank you for watching my video, guys. Talk to you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye, mommy.
Bye.
Bye, guys.